In football, having a solid defence is vital to the success of the team.
Exactly the same rules apply in looking after our health.
Having a solid defence against nasty viruses is vital to our future well-being.
And all it takes is a simple vaccine.
The human papillomavirus,
or HPV for short,
is a very common virus that is usually passed through skin-to-skin contact.
Most people who become infected with HPV
will clear the virus from their body and won't become unwell.
But for others, it can cause genital warts or even develop into some types of cancer,
including cervical cancer in women
and head and neck cancer that are most common in men.
HPV usually has no symptoms,
which is why it's so easy to pass on as you don't know you have it.
But now there's something you can do to protect yourselves.
The HPV vaccination is offered to all children
aged 12 and 13
in Year 8 of secondary school.
It's safe and highly effective at reducing the risk of getting HPV.
And it's administered by nurse and immunisation professionals
in one quick injection in the upper arm. Since it was introduced in 2008,
the vaccine has reduced cervical cancer rates by almost 90%
in women in their 20s.
As with any other vaccine,
there are often some mild side effects,
including a sore arm
or headache,
that go away very quickly.
At Cardiff City Football Club,
we do everything we can to have a strong defence.
Why not do the same
with your own health?
Protect your future self
with the HPV vaccine.